So we have two charts here, by the way. I will explain why I have two charts. Last week I said if S&P 500 don't hold this level, then don't buy. All right, if it's above, I want to buy. Okay, I did try and buy in this area, a little loss, but that's okay. Sometimes it happens. Now, very interesting. Now we have two charts right here. This is the SPY, which is the ETF of S&P 500. This is the future of S&P 500. On the left hand side is trading view. On the right hand side is my broker IG. I use that to do analysis and trade on IG. I'll do further analysis from trading view, just I can get a clear picture. Reason why I have the SPY on the left is because ETF only trade during stock trading hours. Future trade 20 per 5. So Monday to Friday continue to have movement in there. All right. So let's talk about the SPY Friday price action. This is a low test bar on SPY. Here we see a rain low bar, so it's not exactly a low test, but during the trading hours we saw selling and then buyer come back in. That is the real trading hours of the New York Stock Exchange. All right, therefore we are seeing some reversal sign possible on S&P 500. Yes, we do have a daily downtrend now, but the bigger the time frame would give us a clearer picture. Whenever you don't have a clear picture from daily, try and go back up to a weekly and have a look at that. We are still in the weekly uptrend. All right, so see the staircase, higher high, higher low. So we keep breaking higher on highs and lows, so we do have still intact on a weekly uptrend. All right, so what do I do? What's my plan for this? Although I think we can possibly have a bounce, but the bounce could be finishing here and then come back, even test this area, or even test this area around the 3,800. Still doesn't change the picture on weekly, but on daily we could have small bounce and range in this area for a few weeks. I don't know. I have to really see in the next week or two to see how this price action develop. That's plan A. So I still want to be a buyer on this. So on the 1 hour time frame, I need to see this break, stay above 3,980. Then I will go long. I'll take some profit in here. Potentially would be aiming for here, slightly higher, and go back up to the daily chart, right? So plan A is a bounce back to this area first. Plan B is here. This is very, very important. How strong this bounce is in here. If it go back up here and I see maybe we'll make a base around 4,000 again. But if we are only going to see a bounce in this lower level, we could see a bit lower than that. So very, very important on that. We are actually in the middle of making our simple trading program to the next level, meaning that we are going to provide so much more support to our community. We will be doing not just the Sunday planning, we're planning to do live trading 3 times a week. So therefore, you will see more live update from the market. You already seen sometime we post trade idea on that. There's some of the winning trades and stuff like that. You can potentially follow that as well. If you're interested to join, again, very simple. You can find the link to join in the pinned comment or the description below.